Well, happy Monday and good morning, AP Computer Science Principal students. I hope that you had a great weekend and are looking forward to this week's distance learning assignments. I haven't seen your face in a while and you haven't seen mine either, so I put myself down in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen if you'd like to just wave and say hello to me. Also, I'd love to see your face. Upload a video to Flipgrid. Just say hello. Maybe show us what you're working on in code.org. Remember, you should be working on, and I'll go ahead and pull that up on the screen here, you should be working on Unit 2, Lesson 5, and the Unit 2 assessment. I sort of put those as due this past Friday. If you have not completed those, it's been marked and Infinite Campus is missing, and I need you to complete those two assignments as soon as possible. In addition, by the end of the week, I'd say this Friday, let's have Unit 4 done, as well as the Unit 4 assessment. And I'll push out a vocab quiz for Unit 4. If we're having trouble getting that done, we'll look at pushing some of that to next week, but I believe we should be able to finish Unit 4 this week so that next week we can focus on ensuring that our Create and our Explore tasks are complete. Some of us have not finished our Create task, and some of us, a couple, have not completed their Explore task. It's going to be essential that you complete the Create and Explore task to the best of your ability, because those are going to be the two assignments that are weighted and graded for your AP exam credit. Now you may wonder, what am I talking about? Well, I pushed a link out to you on Friday, and I want to show you that link. So if you just go to Google, I'm in Chrome right now, AP COVID-19 update. Look at the first link underneath the top stories, and it says AP updates for schools impacted by coronavirus. Click that link, and you'll notice that some updates pop up from the College Board. And here's the update that's most pertinent to us. One, there's going to be some free remote learning resources. Now, there's nothing uploaded for you guys yet, but if you click this link here, it's going to pull up a page where you could scroll down, click on AP Computer Science Principles underneath Math and Computer Science, and there are going to be some videos there. I'm assuming the videos are going to be centered around completing the Create and Explore task. Now, I've provided a lot of support as well as a survival guide for both of those tasks, and code.org has released some resources for those items as well, and I push those out on Remind. If you need help, please reach out to me through Remind or email when it comes to completing our assignments. But hopefully within the week, you'll see some items here that will help you out. What do you need help with? What is your exam going to be like? Well, at the moment, it looks like AP Computer Science Principles is not going to have a written multiple choice exam. You remember I gave you a mock exam a couple weeks ago. You took the exam with Miss Norwood. It looks like that component is going to be subtracted from your AP exam. So your AP exam for AP Computer Science Principles will not be a final exam, but rather will be your Explore task and Create task only. No multiple choice exam. What does this mean for you? It means we need to polish up those Create and Explore tasks. I had you submit them as drafts. We did not submit as final on purpose because we need to make sure we polish those and they are to the highest level that you are capable of, so that when the graders go and grade those, you'll receive high marks and hopefully will receive college credit for this course. Now, that does not mean we are not going to cover any new material in this course going forward. While I hope we're back face-to-face post-spring break, we are going to make sure, regardless, that we continue to cover pertinent items for this course, because I want to make sure you understand computer science principles in its full. But we are going to spend some time concentrating on ensuring that the Explore task and the Create task are done for each student. And if you notice the digital portfolio date, it was April 30th, if I remember right. It's been extended to the end of May. Actually, that's the end of the school year. So we have till the end of the school year to complete these items, but I recommend we try to complete them as soon as we can and that we polish them to the best of our ability so that we receive the highest marks possible and the best chance at receiving college credit. Keep in mind that while I can't grade these, I am giving you credit for uploading them to College Board. So please ensure that you've uploaded your Create and Explore task. Going forward, what I would say is focus on getting your code.org work done, Unit 2 and Unit 4, and then also, more than likely next Monday, we're going to start focusing on ensuring that our Explore task and our Create task are complete and that they are done to the best of our ability. I hope that you have a great day today. Consider uploading a video so I can see your face in our Flipgrid, and we're going to post some additional videos and assignments in Flipgrid as well in the coming days. You guys have a great afternoon. Talk to you later.